Do you remember the typing class? We had typing
Yeah.
in those
Yeah.
enormous,
Gigantic
I think
typewriters.
it was from the 30s or 40s
Probably. Yeah.
that weighed as much as a sofa each. And it wasn't like a touch tap or anything or a
Mhm.
light tap. These keys went all the way down.
Yeah.
And when you're, in 5th grade, you have little fingers.
Yeah.
And keeping you had to learn the home row and then start with A, semicolon,
Right.
semicolon, semicolon, S, 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 L, 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 and do that, and then eventually know your way around the typewriter. Golly, if you made an error, the lengths you had to go to make that correction.
Right.
These didn't have correction tape.
Oh.
These were before the correction tape.